To reply to your friends' videos on Flipgrid, you are going to have to go back to the assignment from last week and open it up again. So it was from class on Wednesday, March 18th. Find that module again and go down to Flipgrid 1. Who do you blame for America's unhealthy eating habits? Okay, and then scroll down. Takes a moment to load. So far, we just have my lonely single video. So your homework or your classwork is to watch your classmates' videos. So you click on here, watch the video.
So I'm going to give you an example video about what I think they have to get food for their...
So imagine that you watch the whole video and now you want to reply to my video. So to do that, underneath my video, while it's still open, there is a reply choice or just these green buttons underneath the video, okay? So you click here. That's going to make a reply. And then now you go through all the same things that you did before. You click record. Hi, Erica. You raised some very interesting ideas. Now notice now I'm looking at the camera. If I don't look at the camera, it looks kind of weird, right? So when you're talking, try to talk to the camera so they feel like you're talking to them, right? So Erica, you had some good ideas. I don't know if I agree with you though. You talked about how you think that the industry is really to blame, but I feel like we all have personal choice in the matter, and it's important that we take responsibility. So whatever it is, right? You give your opinion, respond directly to something that that person said. Okay, so make it clear you heard them, you listened to them. And then pause, go through all the steps. Next. You have to hit next a couple of times. This is take a selfie. It says don't close the window, so please don't. Wait, wait, wait. Put your name, submit video, and then the last step, complete. So, in the end,
I'm going to give you an example video about...
In the end, you will see your reply video is going to be below their main video. So then when you return to the main menu, you'll see the original video and your little video connected to it. So in this case, we're not going to hit this big plus sign. We're going to go into the video for each person and reply directly 3 times. Okay, good luck.